Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a sofa set, a very modern design of sofa set along with a matching dining table, and we will discuss a few points, some finer points, and the part that we always discuss about choice. What Aarsun makes is choice wala furniture. It means size, design, colors, fabrics, number of chairs, side tables, size of table, how the top of the table would be, and all other combinations that are required or that can be possible. Technically, we try and do that and make something real beautiful like this. Here we have a round arm sofa. It's not a straight arm, we have got curves in the entire unit. And when we have a curvaceous sofa like this, its size is a little bigger. This is 7.5 feet out and out. Regular three-seater is 6.5 feet. This is 1 feet more than that. The height is less, is only 3.5 feet because the design is such. It's a clean look, modern look, or a French style of sofa that a lot of people love when they have very clean kind of theme. They don't want very luxurious or very heavy looking design. This is one design that you can consider for your place. I'll go into the finer points about the matching, about the color, all these things. First, let me give the sizes to you. It's again a three-seater, the same size, 32 inches front to back. Coming to the chair, when we have round arm sofa, a single chair is always quite big. This is a couple of inches more than 4 feet. Regular sofa chairs are around 3 feet left to right. This is a little more than 4 feet because the curves need space. If we don't make it so curvaceous, the entire look, the entire purpose will be defeated. So to get the proper look, the whole curvaceous look, we need to make it bigger. So a little more than 4 feet and we get ample space, proper space to sit. I'll sit on the chair, I'll show you the look. You can see how much space I have. I can put a couple of bolsters here, extra cushions, and the entire look very beautiful and clean as well. In modern houses, you have a theme. And based on the theme could be the wallpapers you have, the wall color you have, or the wall panels, or it could be a beautiful painting at the back. We recently delivered some stuff for close to USA, and here in the pictures you can see how beautifully the client has matched the theme according to the colors of the place and the furniture. Before that, we have a table also, 3.5 feet square, and two side tables, 18 inches square. And when we talk about the matching theme, let's see the table, this one, and let's see the dining table and match the concept. Same design is carried forward to the dining table. The dining table is again as per the sizes given by the client. This is 3.5 feet wide. Generally we make 6x4. This is 6 feet by 3.5 feet wide. And we have 6 chairs, a unique design of chairs, again matching to the theme. Quite comfortable, spacious, 2 feet left to right. The back height is 3 feet. I'll sit on it again and you can see I'm getting quite good space to sit with the back support, and the overall look, overall design is maintained. Now coming back to the combination part, I'll show you a few finer points that you already may have noticed. Let's see the fabric. The fabric is client's choice. I'll mention again size, design, colors, fabrics, number of seats, tables, side tables, top carving, plain, whatever you want, whatever you like, and whatever is possible, we try and do that. Let's see the sofa fabric one more time and you will see 3 different shades in this. The base, the turquoise color, the golden shades, and the off-white shade in this. And the combination of the sofa. We have got off-white, we have got golden shade, and we have turquoise color on the sides. And these 3 things match the entire decor, the design of the fabric, the color of the fabric, and the unit color. So this is what the client wanted, and this is how much research, how much work the client do when they want to decorate their home, how well they want to match everything with what they want. Their dream sofa or their dream home, they decorate with such beautiful stuff. We are working with a number of architects and interior designers across India and out of India also, where they prefer very different designs because they have to pitch something very unique to each client. But the issue remains that every time to get something unique, they can draw on a paper, they can take help of AI. Artificial intelligence is producing so beautiful pictures these days. Everybody is going to AI and generating pictures. Even we also do that sometimes. So they can go all these, they can use softwares, they can use imagination, they can use AI, and can generate something on a phone or a computer. But the point remains how to get that on ground in reality, and whether that AI image in practical, in real, would look good. And this is what we do. Architects, interior designers, home decorators, when they have some brilliant ideas, we get that on the ground with beautiful stuff like this and deliver across the globe, not just India. We have covered entire India and 55 countries already. Aarsun is a global brand, and everything you see, all these designs are handcrafted, made by local artisans. And these are master artisans who convert wood, solid wood, real wood, teak wood, to something beautiful like this. And after the artisan work, the carving work, we have got master painters who can create these kind of colors. And colors is not a limit for us. We are doing everything almost, from the book, from the catalog, from the imagination, from the AI, natural finish, dark finish, mahogany, cherry. You pick the color. We are doing multi shades, gold leafing, silver leafing, antique gold leafing, champagne gold leafing, all colors, white, off white with gold highlighting, triple shade, dual shade, and so many colors we are doing these days. And all these videos are on YouTube, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, Instagram, all these social media channels. We are putting our stuff out, people loving it, giving us orders, and we are getting the pictures back from them once the stuff is delivered with more love, blessings, and more orders. Only if someone is happy, only then you will receive a reference order. And 70% of arson orders are from references. So you can understand what we are doing. Here, the purpose is not just to show you the design, we are showing you our art, our local art, handwork, the beautiful work you are looking at, and the choice part. Choice is the most important thing. I may buy a 10,000 rupees shirt, but if I don't like it, I'll not wear it. So, this is the basic premise. This is the basic idea that we work on. Anything and everything should match your choice and factory price, the price that is the best price, without any fake discounts that you get in the showrooms. You go to a showroom, they'll put a label, they have already increased the price to some extent, then cut that price, put some price there to show the discount. 40%, 50%, 70%, they are all fake discounts. Nobody gives out of pocket. Everybody has to earn to survive. Everybody needs profit, and we provide you at lowest profit, lowest margins, right to your home, delivered to your home. Best choice furniture, best quality, the brand of Aarsun at factory price. The number is right here. Please contact us. Let us know what you're looking for. Let us match your budget, give you the best thing available, and at your doorstep without any hassles. Everywhere in India and outside India, wherever you are. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.